Leo wai foi que longa mong singa sa faolo. Wai foi de bangar offer kau kai maka para pala. Au walor mapuari. Leo kari nga pa singa ai kai au silfainga. Mo mapu ai ngi kiasa. Ai langar ngar furia fa. Wa sar ma sa, wa pa ia foi de masa ibasa. Wali liver pengakia. Baur kwa au mafuaman. Ida fio mero fio ma. Dia ai kom singa palo kende Australia. Leo wari kaya wala nga fio nga na mambalo palo ko kasyo sambo. Au kung ngi kaya sisipat. Leo makosuia vai. Vai amba vai vai. Amere pu merkau. Lupe malopena. Ipu merkau ausi. Wa ora paso so. Ba! Ausi leva paso so. Aku lai jare na firmoka. Kau kelai porau fianga. Dai komisi garbano kele Australia. Ni porau fianga kamai kai pule. Kangan wega kai faf. Kong makibar pau ni lawan. Masamari apa kau kira o fianga. Depois não puxa na mano malo samo.
Ya, apa ni de tua. Ya, oleh, ama moya tu lu na ule tu tua. Apa ni tu lu ka pa ni ka ni mo mo lu. Yo, actually see a feeling with that. And our ceremonies, they all usually the traditional Samoan hospitality culture. And this usually performed mainly at special occasions, especially when welcoming special guests. So today it's an honor and privilege for us to perform this ritual, this ceremony, to officially welcome you here today. So important.
Your Highness, Tumale Ali'i Whānau Wa'a Netoa Sua'awi Lelua, Head of State of the Independent State of Samoa, Talifalawa. It is a great honour and privilege to take up the role as Australian High Commissioner to Samoa. Before I start, may I extend my respects to the people of Samoa, acknowledge your connection with your land, and pay my respects to your people, your culture, and your ancestors. In Australia, we give a similar acknowledgement to the traditional owners of the land on which we gather at the start of events or formal proceedings. Australia and Samoa have a close partnership, one which spans beyond our 50 years of formal diplomatic relations. Australia is Samoa's largest development partner, security partner, and friend in time of need. Equally, Samoa has supported Australia in good times and in bad, including in response to the devastating bushfires in Australia in early 2020. Throughout 2020 and into 2021, we have faced the unprecedented challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. Together, we have worked to prepare for and respond to the social, economic and health impacts of the pandemic, including through Australia's commitment to improve vaccine access for the Pacific. Australia is also committed to supporting Samoa build resilience to its security challenges, whether this is through our long-standing defence and policing partnerships or by strengthening climate change and disaster resilience. Australia and Samoa have deep cultural, historical and personal ties. Our personal connections continue to grow on the sporting field and through church partnerships, education programs and media and cultural heritage programs. Australia welcomes the regional and international leadership that Samoa has demonstrated and is pleased to be working with Samoa to establish the PACER Plus implementation unit and Pacific Oz Sports Regional Hub here in Apia. As Australian High Commissioner, I look forward to working with the government and people of Samoa. I welcome the opportunity to reinforce our strong bilateral relations, to continue our fruitful cooperation in multilateral forums and through our development program to promote a healthy, educated and inclusive population. May I conclude by wishing Your Highness Amasiofo good health and wishing prosperity to the government and people of Samoa. Soifua Maya Manuia.
Your Excellency, it is my pleasure to welcome you to Samoa and to receive your letters of credence accrediting you as the High Commissioner of Australia to the independent state of Samoa. I thank you also for presenting the letters of recall for your predecessor, and kindly ask that you convey my best wishes for the good health and well-being of your Governor General, the Honourable David Purdy. Excellency, the occasion of receiving your letters of credence here today is heartening, as this year marks the 50 years anniversary of our formal diplomatic relations, demonstrating an enduring and close partnership shared between our two countries. Our relationship is underpinned by the extensive collaboration across areas of political, security, health, economic, social, education, sports, cultural and people-to-people links. Excellency, in 2019, when Samoa was devastated by the measles epidemic, Australia, along with 15 other countries, provided much-needed assistance through specialist teams of nurses and doctors, technical personnel, as well as medical equipment, supplies and mobile negative pressure units. During these unprecedented times, with the challenges brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic, Australia has assisted Samoa to strengthen its health sector, in particular its health systems through the COVID-19 situation, to strengthen preparedness and responsiveness of Samoa's health system to mitigate the effects of the COVID-19 pandemic and to improve access to vaccines. Australia's step-up strategy in Samoa provides the platform to assist Samoa's development efforts, security cooperation, and enhancing links with the communities. Our mutual interests through security cooperation, including defense and policing ties, are contributing to the Pacific regional security efforts. We continue to work closely on disaster risk reduction and enhancing climate resilience. The enhancement of our people-to-people connectivity has seen extensive growth in opportunities and numbers of seasonal workers under Australia's Pacific Labour Mobility Scheme and Seasonal Workers Program. We welcome the support of the Australian Government in the establishment of the PACER Plus implementation unit and the regional hub for Pacific Oz Sports in Apia, forging new pathways to assist local talented athletes in realizing their full potential. We look forward to continued cooperation with your government to strengthen our bilateral relations and cooperation in the multilateral forum, particularly in addressing sustainable development agenda on matters of mutual interest, as well as strengthening partnerships grounded in our common values and goals. Your Excellency, I wish you and your family an enjoyable and successful tenure in Samoa. So welcome to Samoa, Your Excellency.